Crab meat is popular type of sea crab. Crab meat is popular type of seafood. They lay their eggs in water. Crocodile. Crocodile are reptiles. They have sharp teeth. Dolphin. Dolphins are believed to be very intelligent. They are the most beautiful fish in the sea. Octopus. Octopus has 8 long limbs. It is a boneless creature. Seahorse. The seahorse is a small fish with horse-like head. It has a pouch to carry eggs like kangaroo. Shark. Shark have the most powerful jaws in the planet. A shark does not have bone in its body. Snail. Snail can be found in gardens, in ponds, and even in sea. They have a soft body. Starfish. Starfish are also known as sea stars. They live underwater. Turtle. Turtle is a reptile that has no teeth. Its body is protected by a shell on top and underneath. Whale. Whales are large, intelligent mammals. The biggest whale is the blue whale.